Hi, Willow. Um, I think so I feel your interpenetrations do not unify with your design because they're reading as figures on the ground. And about your transparencies, do you still remember that I, I said in the class? So the transparency color should not go around the corner. So you can see your magenta, orange, and the yellow one. So the two primary need to so in between the two primaries, the secondary always be in the middle and be sandwiched in between um, the, the two primary. However, um, the reason why, because I know that you have part of orange, like the I think the first step over here. But just like I said, the reason why I still can feel is go around the corner because the transparencies they don't work. However, I think your green transparencies, I will say here, the sign to green and part of green to yellow, that works really well. So the transparencies here that works really well. Yeah, but you can see actually the arrangement of from cyan to yellow is the same with the magenta to yellow. However, like I said, the reason why the transparency do not feel like a straight shot just because your vanishing boundaries it uh, they are not working. So that's the reason why because we can see a really hard boundary between the magenta and yellow. So that's kind of give us the impression that it's go around the corner because the boundary that's so clear, so hard. So I will see try to go back um, to work on your skill. That can help you a lot. And also your cyan to I mean your purple to cyan that also doesn't have any vanishing boundaries here. So yeah, just need to revisit your skill and make sure that could have vanishing boundaries between skill to from hue to hue. So that can make your design very successful. Uh, so about your interpenetration, so your interpenetration, you should. So first of all, that's the shape. They are too many different shapes. Are considering as interpenetration. So, um, in terms of shapes, they're not unified, and also, I can tell that you use complementary color as the interpenetration because orange you're using cyan and orange you're the purple you're using yellow. However, the um, like this shape, so the outer perimeter shapes are reading. So first of all, like I said, they're different shapes. Another thing is they are not they're not inter complementary color here. So if you're using complementary color as the interpenetration, you should keep that constant. So that's your main issues here in your design. So please let me know if you still have any other questions about your work.